Hoshizaki ice machine. It was off when we got here this morning, and it wasn't making ice on the right side. We leveled it out. They turned it off yesterday because it was doing 3 beeps, and 3 beeps is a long freeze cycle. But what does that mean? Well, these machines aren't as smart as they pretend to be, and the only thing they're really monitoring is water flow. Right? There's float switches in there, and a long freeze is activated by the fact that when the water fills, the switches go up, and then as the water freezes, they drop. If these things get stuck, which they often do, then even though we're out of water, the floats don't drop, and then it thinks we're in a long freeze, meaning we're not freezing. When we are, we're just not recognizing the water. So let's pull out the floats and see if they're frozen. All right, so we just removed this and cleaned it. So that little thing pops off, and then it really didn't seem like it should have been hanging up, but you never know. Let's play a game. When we turn this on, I'm gonna turn this one off just to make it a little more quiet because you'll hear the point. So right now it's filling that tub with water, and it'll overflow if I don't do anything. Now I can simulate that it's full by pushing both of these up. Okay, so water stopped. We could look up what 5 is, but I just caused that by doing this. So let's reset this again. Stop the water. All right, so he's got this reinstalled. Okay, so clean the switch, put it back in. This is one of our locations, and so we've kind of talked about that. Maybe you know, maybe you don't. We are a service company that works for an owner that owns 8 locations, and then we serve others. So here's why I say that. If this was someone else's store, I would have just changed that probe. I wouldn't have messed with cleaning it. I'd have just changed it, been sure we had a good system, and that's it. It tested good, but we know that was the core of the problem, so cleaning it. If we leave here and this afternoon it starts malfunctioning again, this is our owners who knew we were trying to save them a few bucks by not changing this system. But we're gonna have to come back. I'm not playing that game on outside locations, right? Fix it once, fix it right, and be done with it. If I didn't think this was gonna do it, I wouldn't have put it back in. So I think we're good. We are gonna hang out for a little bit, just make sure the water level goes down, the flow goes down, and this should remedy your 3 beep problem.